Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I am doing one of those shadow boxes and I cut out a piece of Lobby Hobby paper that you can get for $1. If you get 5, they charge you the extra 69 cents, so make sure it's for $1. I taped a little deer, a little reindeer feed, and then I had a little Dollar Tree topper to put on there, and I glued a little bow, and then I have a little poinsettia that I glued onto the bow. And there it is. The little Merry Christmas sign came from Dollar Tree. And then I have a Dollar Tree cookie sheet. I basically took a pencil and outlined it with my wooden one. And then I'm going to cut it. You get 2 of these cookie sheets for $1. Then I have my wooden one that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just painted it. I have another one that I cut out before that I wasn't sure what I was going to do. Then I decided to get the one that I made shorter and thinner, and I'm going to put it on top of the green tree, which I thought turned out really good. So I'm going to glue it down. Some of the edges might be coming up, so I'm just put a little more glue. I didn't do a lot of glue, I just did a little bit because that aluminum gets really hot. Then I've got the wooden blocks that you get in the kids' toy section. So I'm going to make a little trunk for it. And then I put another one on top of it. So there's one on the back and there's one on the front. And then I have a little round wooden piece that I think I got these from Hobby Lobby in a bag, and I'm gonna glue that on too. Put a little bow on top, and I just wanted it simple because I wanted to see like the cookie sheet to stand out. And I didn't distress it because I have a lot of glitter in my house, so I figured it would just go well with some of my other decor that I have. Next was just a simple little jar from the Dollar Tree and one of their brushed Christmas trees. I'm going to glue it to the lid. And then I'm going to put some snow, which this was the Dollar Tree snow. It wasn't the Epsom salt. So this was the glittery type, which was sort of like the shiny. It was really pretty. And that's it. Just screw it on. I have it on my kitchen ledge, and I think it's just simple, cute. Takes what, maybe a minute to make. There's my cookie sheet Christmas tree, and my little reindeer feed, and my little Christmas tree. And these were all easy to make, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.